Some prominent European companies have hailed China's efforts in supporting foreign investors and expressed their willingness to share future opportunities with the vibrant Chinese market. Over the years, China has sped up the implementation of a series of concrete measures, including reducing the negative list for foreign investment and implementing the foreign investment law to extend the benefits of its ongoing opening up policy to more foreign companies. Novo Nordisk, a Danish pharmaceutical giant, has increased investment in Tianjin. Since founded in 1994, its subsidiary in China has expanded the business across a whole value chain, including production, research and development, and commercial operations. The company announced an additional investment in an expansion project at its production base in Tianjin of about 4 billion yuan last month.
中国呢，一直是诺和诺德的重要市场。在这里，我们进行了全产业链的布局，我们切实感受到全过程、全方位、便捷服务等一系列举措带来的便利，以及生物医药领域的机遇，更加坚定了我们未来发展的信心。
For German healthcare conglomerate Fresenius Kabi, its subsidiary in China's Nanchang has become an important R&D and production base of medical devices. Based in a town near Frankfurt in Germany, Fresenius Kabi started investing in Nanchang in 2002. Over the past 22 years, the Nanchang subsidiary has been expanded 5 times, with the total investment reaching nearly 600 million yuan. In 2023, the Nanchang subsidiary's main business revenue hit 536 million yuan, and the export value increased by 6.8% compared with 2022.
We have now decided to centralize everything here in Nanchang because it's much more competitive. China is a very competitive country when it comes to manufacturing, but also when it comes to R&Ds. I think it's good. I think it's positive. As I said, there is growth. We hear also from our customers good feedback. The market is strong. The market is growing. We see additional opportunities to drive our business here in the Chinese market.